Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to make a phone call using Siri on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to Siri over here. And right now the first and foremost step, make sure that you can use a two-way. Either you can press the button and you can activate the Siri, or you can give the command. So if you wanted to do it on the command, make sure that you have to talk to Siri should be set. And right now, as you can see, I have enabled this. If it is turned it off, you have to change this to Hey Siri. And also make sure press side button for Siri should be turned on. So if you press the side button, the Siri will be activated. And in order to do this, what you need to do is once you make sure the Siri is working all fine, the next you have to give the command to the Siri so that the Siri will be making the call. So I'm just going to give the command. You have to just follow the same. Hey Siri, please call Sabumon. Right now, as you can see, this is going to get called to one of my friend, and as you can see, he's just listening to this. So this is how you can do it, right? This is on the, and he just cut the phone. I'm sorry for that. So this is how we can do it. I can't stop laughing. I'm really sorry for that. And this is how we can do it. And if you find this video, so guys, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye bye.